Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we have a bag review. Today we will be reviewing the Louis Vuitton Pallas BB. So this is a really popular bag. I bought it about a year ago and I absolutely love it. Okay, so a lot of the times with my bag reviews, I will just get in bags and I'll kind of do like a introductory bag tour of them, of bags that I don't necessarily own. This one I have had for a year and I think it is absolutely amazing. The Pallas style from Louis Vuitton came out in around 2014 or 2015, and it is a mostly monogram canvas with different types of leather trim as well as pebbled leather on the inset. It comes in two sizes. The initial Pallas bag, which was on my luxury wish list forever, is a much bigger bag, and it's kind of similar in size to my Louis Vuitton Belmont. So this BB size is more like a mini. I think that this is a mini bag without being too small. If you guys are familiar with me, my style basically with designer bags is I don't like anything that's too small. This one is great because it gives a ton of room and space. So not only did this bag come in two different sizes, this one being the smallest, it also came in a variety of many different colors. You'll find a much greater variety of colorways in the larger size, but the BB also has a lot of great ones too. This one also comes with monogram in black. This is one of the few times that Louis Vuitton has done that for the women's collection lines. So the dimensions on this bag are 10.5 inches wide, 7 inches tall, and 3¼ inches in depth. The drop on the top handle is about 3.5 inches, and then it comes with a long strap that's not adjustable. That one measures to approximately 21.5, which makes it just perfect as a crossbody for most people. The long strap is detachable, so I do like to add my adjustable monogram strap in sometimes as well, but the length on the strap that it comes with is really good for crossbody. I kind of prefer to wear it on the shoulder, so I change out my strap, but obviously that's not necessary. One of my favorite features of the Pallas BB is the fact that it has exterior pockets. And it's absolutely perfect to fit something like a phone or a small wallet. A large size phone also does fit in here. I'm going to show you what that looks like. There's plenty of space. It's really easily accessible. And what I especially love about it is that it's on both sides, the front and back, and then also has magnetic clasps underneath. So it kind of just goes back into place and seals it nice and securely. Absolutely love that feature. It makes it really convenient, really easy to carry. There are double zippers here on the top, and then there are 2 rings where you add the strap on. The lining on the inside is microfiber and a really beautiful sand color. Obviously the color is going to vary based on the colorway that you get. This color of this leather is called Dune, and it actually is relatively rare. I don't really see that many in this beigey color. Out there. Now most of the colors that you'll see for the Pallas bags, especially in the BB size, you'll see mainly like rose ballerine, you'll see red, you'll see the black, and as well as the black mixed with the, I want to say it's nomad leather, as opposed to vachetta. But I really like how neutral and how subtle this is without being pink, because not everyone loves pink. So as I mentioned, this is a very similar style to the Louis Vuitton V-Tote, which now comes in a much smaller size, similar to this one. I tend to have a type. I love top handle bags, and this one definitely reminds me of a mini version of my Louis Vuitton Belmont. And I think that this size as well is like a more elevated take on something like a Speedy 25. So if you're looking for something with that level of functionality, I think this might be a great alternative. Now for me, pros and cons on this bag are very simple. Pro, very easy to wear, very well designed, highly functional, and can work in a variety of settings. Now this is a more elevated casual bag. I might wear this to a more casual dinner. I wouldn't say it's necessarily a dressy bag, but it also works as an everyday carry to pair with leggings and a t-shirt and stuff like that. The capacity on the inside is great. It fits a ton, and I really like that you have the variance of being able to wear a top handle in the hand, carried in the hand, or worn on the crossbody strap. Extra points for the strap being detachable, because I like to swap it out for my adjustable one to also wear it on the shoulders. Technically quickly, if you have a replacement strap, there's 4 ways to wear this bag. It's super unique. It's not one that you see out there all the time, but it definitely is very trademark, very much Louis Vuitton. So this has been one of my favorite bags over the past year, and I absolutely love it. I cannot recommend it enough. Really quickly, I'm just gonna go over the cons with you. Typically, when I'm carrying this bag, it is during the daytime, and when I go to put a sunglass case or something inside of it, it's kind of like just big enough to accommodate the case, and then I find that I've taken up the whole bag. But if you are not such a stickler about carrying around your sunglass case, then that probably isn't going to be an issue for you. Other than that, what I have seen, if you're looking at the larger size of this bag, is that the way this is pleated right here, I think in the larger sizes of this bag, that it can look a bit like sloppy over time, and the pleats don't necessarily like line up neatly like this, but in the smaller version it just requires less material, so there's less material to get in the way. These bags I've seen generally in excellent condition. I think it wears very well. Now, this isn't a super structured bag, but it definitely holds its shape very well, which I absolutely appreciate. If you are considering purchasing the Louis Vuitton Pallas BB, 10 out of 10, absolutely recommend. As a reminder, this one has been discontinued, so it's only going to be available through pre-loved resources. And I'll be sure to link some great ones down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's bag review. If you have any other bags that you would like to see here on my channel reviewed in depth, then please let me know. You can send me a comment down below. I've done a ton of bag reviews here on my channel. I will leave a playlist of some of them linked here on screen for you guys to check out if you're interested in any. And once again, if you have anything that you would like to see from me here on my channel about the luxury resale market, I was in the industry for like a decade, so ask away. Anyways, be sure to check out this next video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!